Ever picked up a towel that looks clean, but smells like a musty swamp? That's not just damp. You're sniffing the work of tiny microbes, bacteria and fungi partying it up in your towel fibers. Today we're diving into why your towel smells like a gym locker and how to stop it for good. Towels are the perfect home for microbes because they hold onto moisture-trapped dead skin cells and body oils and usually hang in warm, poorly ventilated bathrooms. That combo is like a five-star hotel for microbes like mildew fungi, bacillus species, and molds like aspergillus. These organisms feed on leftover sweat, skin cells, and oil, and then produce that classic musty, sour smell as part of their metabolism. Let's meet your towel's unwanted guests. Mildew, a type of fungus that loves damp fabric and releases that stale odor. Bacteria, like Staphylococcus and Corynebacterium from your skin. They love dark, damp corners. Fungal spores, from the air, your washing machine, or even your body, they settle and thrive in warm, wet environments. Besides smelling gross, some of these microbes can trigger acne, skin irritation, or even fungal infections. So it's not just a nose problem, it's a skin health issue too. Dry towels completely, hang flat over a rail, not bunched up on a hook. Sunlight helps too. UV rays are natural microbe killers. Wash every 3 uses, especially if you live in a humid area or have sensitive skin. Use hot water, at least 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, to kill bacteria and fungi. Don't overload the washer. Crowded loads equals poor rinsing, and spinning equals more moisture trapped. Use vinegar or baking soda. Add 1/2 cup of white vinegar in the rinse cycle. It helps kill odors. Or sprinkle baking soda in the drum to deodorize and soften towels. Clean your washing machine. Run a hot, empty cycle with vinegar once a month. Wipe the gasket and soap trays too. They collect grime and microbes. Need a quick fix? Toss the towel in the dryer on high heat for 20 minutes with a dryer sheet. Or spray lightly with a vinegar-water mix and hang in the sun. It won't kill everything, but it helps until you can give it a proper wash. If your towel still smells after washing, it's time to retire it. So next time your towel smells like a forgotten gym bag, don't blame the detergent. Don't blame your water. Blame the microbes. But now, you know how to kick them out. If you want more hygiene hacks backed by science, or you're just curious what else is secretly living in your daily routine, hit like, subscribe, and stay curious. See you next time.